So we're here at our first desert race, and our buddy Jack right there, it's his first race. He's gonna kill it. Hey buddy!
Hey!
Miles, what's up, dude?
What's up?
What's up, my dude?
You guys made it.
Yeah, dude, we were looking everywhere for you.
I tried texting you guys, but I don't have service.
Oh yeah, I tried calling you and I was like, oh, he doesn't have service, he has Sprint.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, our boy Jack's about to start. He's like 3 out now. It's his first race. He's gonna do so good.
Jack's up. It's about to start. There he is. There goes Jack.
A few moments later.
Jack coming in first after his third lap.
Okay, so Jack just went by. He had like his best lap, but then his car broke down right past the line, and so we're going to check and see what's up. Hopefully he's good. You can see him right over there getting looked at. Okay, so Jack's still getting looked at over there. We're not allowed to go over there, so we're just kind of chilling over here for now, waiting to see what's going on. And now they just started the car. Yeah, Jack. Go, buddy, go. Oh, he's revving her. Hi.
Good video?
Yeah.
You guys want to know some good spots?
Yeah. Okay, so one of the workers just told us a really good spot to shoot from. It's like a 90-degree turn where they'll be hitting some drifts and stuff. So we're gonna go over there, check it out, hopefully get some cool stuff.
You went so hard that
Yeah, dude, one lap.
second to last lap.
You made so much room. How was it?
We saw you, we're like,
laps, and then we had 2 really slow laps.
yeah.
Wait, what happened? Did you like
saw
stall out of that one, or?
Yeah.
The one we literally got off course, and there was so much so we got off course and went like way out in the desert. We were like
We were
mowing
lost.
down trees that were like 6 feet high, just like
Like
plowing
one of the
through
trees that we
desert,
went through was this thick.
trying to find
Bam!
the
Right
course.
through it. We're so lost.
Wait, the one where you like went over the finish line though, and then you just like stopped.
Stalled.
Yeah, the battery died.
That was your best
no.
lap right before
Oh,
that.
I
though,
know.
yeah.
That's why I was.
We
Pissed.
saw
That's
you-
why I was
Yeah,
pissed.
you
So many
passed,
people
like, 3
passed.
people.
Yeah.
We saw you. We're like, there is that Jack? And then
We're
we're
like,
like,
"It can't
no
be Jack."
way. And
I
then
like,
we
had my
saw the
mega zoom
lights
and I was
on
like,
top,
"That's
and
him,
we're
that's
like,
him."
holy shit.
Yeah,
How
we
was
were-
it, dude?
Oh my god, that shit's crazy.
Is it fun? Nice. Dude, it seems so fun.
Oh my god, you're just.
Celebratory lunch. time.
There were certain times when
You look so,
So-
funny.
I started with sunglasses on,
Yeah.
and the sunglasses kept fogging up. So there's a certain section where it's like this deep of just silt. Like you'll step in it and you'll just sink. So you have to keep it floored. And after I came through that section the first lap, I was like, I'm gonna ditch the sunglasses. So I opened up the fucking visor.
Oh.
Dirt.
Yeah.
The entire thing was filled with dirt.
Your face is like.
You have
you're just-
dirt in your nose, in your mouth, everywhere.
Oh,
Yeah, dude. No, but then like, oh my god, and then like all the dirt was stuck on the inside, and it kept fogging up because I've hot breath.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Yeah.
And I just couldn't. There was like one spot where the entire visor was just you can't see right in
yeah.
front of you, and then you're in another car's dust.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, we kept trying to get good photos of you, but like for
I got a few that are
for
good.
like 2 laps, you were
You
just
were, like, right in
eating
someone's dust.
and we didn't see you until last second.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Dude, your car is so loud. I like it. I wonder if the GoPro still records.
And we found a
I
good
wonder.
clickbait title for.
Oh, look at that dust.
Oh, there are times when you come through and
Yeah.
you hit something and a wave comes
Yeah.
over the car.
That's
I think it died.
nice.
Wow.
Where's the?
Okay, we just watched some more racers. They're killing it, and so now we gotta head home. And so that's gonna end the video for today. Nice job to my boy Jack over here, killing it on his first race today.
Finished.
Yeah.